We brought my parents to a 7-day music festival in Costa Rica.
Oh my gosh.
Envision Festival is known for being the most sustainable festival in the world, combining the energy of a wild music festival mixed with presentations and workshops on spirituality, sustainability, and body movement. We were here back in 2020 when our daughter was only 1, and now in 2023 we're back again. Except this time, we're a family of 3 generations attending the festival. There's myself, Sia, my wife Kristen, and now our 4-year-old daughter, Kai. And we're joined by my parents, who have never attended a festival remotely close to this one in their lives. I have no idea how this is going to turn out, but I'm hoping for the best. Now let's meet my parents. This is my father, Mark. He's 71 years young, Canadian-born from Ukrainian-Russian parents in a loving Jewish home. His favorite things are playing guitar, eating shawarma, and meeting new people. His fear is spiders, and luckily there's no spiders in Costa Rica. And my mother, Fahime, who's 70 years young, born in Iran to loving Muslim parents. Her favorite things are dancing, being with family, and travel. Her fear is drowning. That's great for a festival right on the beach. They're about to enter a world like they have never seen before. And unlike other music festivals, Envision does say on their website that it's family friendly. It's good for all shapes and sizes, children under 12 are free, and there's a designated family area. And that's where our story begins, at family camp. This is Envision Festival with 3 generations. We just went out for breakfast outside of Envision. Now we're going back into the festival. Everyone has different color bracelets for whether you're general, you're VIP, you're an artist, your staff, your security, and the families also have these family bands which get you into the family section, but it also ensures that your child is with you. So her name is on our bands and our name is on her bands with a special number, and then that way we can link up if something were to happen and she ran off and got separated from us, that we could easily find each other.
It is hot. I'm a mixture of sweat and water that just drenched my head. Because that's how you survive here, and hydrate. We're in the children's area, or the family area, and here there's a lot of activities for kids throughout the entire week, happening all of the time. So right now it's like there's a group from the Caribbean side of Costa Rica that are here that are going to be performing.
I see all kind of the people, young, old, kids, and everybody enjoying themselves.
Everybody happy.
Everybody is happy. It is well organized. It is wonderful to see happy people around here. And I feel young now.
The family section is also a little bit further away from the loud booming music, so that at night you can sleep quietly, which is nice because some people's tents are like really close to speakers and loud music until like 3-4 a.m.
We brought this very compact stroller, which is amazing when you're traveling because you can actually like fold it up and bring it on the plane as like a carry-on. But at this festival, it's been a little bit of a struggle because the wheels are small. So I highly recommend like a 3-wheeler, like the thick wheels, or a heavy-duty wagon for this specific terrain. Or an Uppa Baby. We brought that last time and it was great. Here.
Hey! Stop!
She's coming out.
Oh, I didn't know you were coming out.
Envision is a relatively big festival, but it's not that spread out, so it's easy to walk to everything. It's very well organized. It's got a central area that has all these restaurants. There's amazing food here, incredible food. There's vegan options, vegetarian options, meat options. There's also like juice bars, there's coffee bars. This is the Village Witch's Elixir Bar. They have ginger beers, they have homeopathic drinks. It's really easy to party all day and really easy to relax all day and really easy to learn all day. And I think that's the big draw of this festival, is there's something for everyone. It's a very healthy festival. Every day at sunset, a lot of people head to the beach because it's literally a 5-minute walk from the festival. And then we all say salutations to the sun. As soon as the sun goes down, the lights turn up in the festival and the real party begins.
My blood pressure is like dropping as the happiness rises. Pura vida!
One of the advantages of having Sia's parents with us at this festival is at night they can be with Kai while we get to go out and have some much needed party time. But some nights, Mark decided to join part of the nightly action.
What do you think? What do you think?
I don't have anything to say right now. I have no standard to compare it to. It's pretty amazing.
You're probably wondering if we're all sleeping in a tent at this festival, and the answer is no. Sia and I have been sleeping in this 5-person tent in the family section, but Sia's parents rented a house off-site in Uvita, only a 10-minute drive from the festival. Being in their 70s, they wanted a real bed and air conditioning. This is a beautiful 4-bedroom house with 3.5 baths, a full-size kitchen, a pool, barbecue area, a games room, laundry room, high-speed internet, and private parking. It's a short walk to the beach and close to restaurants. Back at the festival, most attendees are sleeping in tents that were set up by the festival staff. For an upgrade, another option is to sleep in tents in the VIP section, which gives you access to lounges, free showers, and daily happy hour. For more space, you can rent private rooms and cabins in the VIP section.
I'm now in the VIP section where they have all of these little jungle huts here. They're already set up. And it looks like you can lock the door, and I'm not sure what's on the inside, but I'm gonna try and find someone that's staying here so that they can show me on the inside what the setup is like. This is Daniel, and this is his little jungle hut.
Yeah, it sure is.
So what came with this? Bug nets, mattresses?
Yes. Little baby table.
Little baby table.
Big 2-tier table.
Okay, some
Low
shelving.
price of $2,400.
Right, for 1 week. But that's what, you can have 3 people? You have 2
Technically
people?
2.
So you can have a VIP bracelet, but not be staying in the VIP section. You can still be staying in like the general camping section, and then just have access to the VIP amenities. So they have happy hour, they have different lounges, they have different washrooms that are like a little less busy, maybe a little less gross. How's been your washroom experience here at Envision?
This is definitely be more clean than other ones, for sure.
Still the worst part of a festival
Is the washroom.
is the washroom. You gotta see how long you can hold your breath. Go in there.
And mind you, don't even do substances, because if you go in there like that, you're
I have to admit, it is really nice having my in-laws Mark and Faime here to watch Kai. Sia and I love to party, and it's been years since we had the chance to really let loose. Next on our Envision adventure is to partake in a tree planting ceremony to offset carbon emissions created by the festival and the transportation of those getting to the festival. You can either donate to have a tree planted or grab a shovel and plant it yourself. The ceremony started with a blessing on the land from a local indigenous member, honoring the plants, people, and animals that call this place home.
And so this is for regenerating the forest. And my favorite fruit is mango, and so I put it in the name of Kai and Mamanbazorg, my honey here. We're going to plant this for Kai.
Everybody together plants these trees, which is very fitting to being in Costa Rica and at an event like this one that's sustainable, that's about, loving the earth and taking care of the earth. So as a family, 3 generations, we're planting this beautiful mango tree together.
What kind of plant is that?
What plant is that? Mango plant.
Next, we're walking a kilometer away to start planting.
We're on our way to plant our second tree of Envision.
It just feels so special. It's like the most meaningful thing. I'm holding back tears. It's really good. And we named it for Kai and Mamanbazorg. Giving back to Mother Earth.
To Mother Earth.
Now we fill it in.
Put the dirt.
Say to Mother Earth, Kai. Say this is to Mother Earth.
Put your hands in,
Throw the dirt in.
Watch the fence.
Just where the plant. Yeah, just there.
And how many mangoes do you think we're going to get from this tree?
Maybe
6 mangoes?
So everything's been like perfect. It's been endless positivity, endless great energy. Wonderful people, lots to do. There's like crafts and magic and fire and beaches, and I'm having fun. I love this sacred energy with music and song and dance from the East and world beat. I think this festival is for everyone, and people my age are missing out. It's just the 60s energy all over again.
One of my favorite parts of this festival is how they handle the dishes. So all the cups and the plates are reusable. You pay a $5 like buy-in fee for your first cup, and then when you're done with that cup, you return it, it gets washed, they give you a little ticket, and then you use that ticket to get a fresh cup next time you buy a drink. So it avoids all nasty plastic cups that wind up in the garbage, styrofoam containers that end up in the garbage. There's none of that. And that is solved with the Discoteca.
Muchas gracias.
Thank you.
Welcome to the Church of Fruit! No. Those that know. Welcome to the Church of Fruit!
Hallelujah!
Thank you. I want to just take a moment and really tap into the plant kingdom right now. Feel all the plants. Welcome everybody, come on into the Church of Fruit. Come on in, right up front. And we're a family here in the church. See ya. Hopscotch the globe. There were serious Church of Fruiters. Thank you, creation. Thank you, evolution. Thank you so much for making such incredible flavors, such incredible consistencies. You guys, this is so deep. Look around. Who's excited? Welcome to the Church of Fruit! Let me hear it. Let me hear your noises. It's that good.
Well, I remember when I was back home telling people that I'm coming here, everybody said, what are you going to do there? And it is not for you. But I said I want to experience it to see how it is. But it is incredible. It is beautiful.
People of all ages should come because there's something for everybody, and there's just like in any given day there's like 100 different things to do, and if you need help there's info booths, if you need medical there's medical booths, if you need grounding there's like a sacred fire.
It's
just
lovely. It is so lovely.
Wonderful energy.
I really recommend everybody come once and at life. Come and see this place.